Hello, hi and welcome. This is a video of Literature for Young Adult, Assignment 2, which is a group work, Group 8 from Group B classes and prepared by Chiu Mi Kung, Nur Hamiza binti Abbas, Magdalena Sundar, Zoli, and Revanel Chen. Hi there. Let me start this video with a short film that we choose for this assignment. The short film is entitled Alone by Brock Taronsky. This short film is about a young man that believes that he is the only person who's still alive in the whole world. He also talks about how lonely he is since he's alone. One day, after he finished looting the neighborhood house to bring back some food and essential, he saw one house with the lights on. Well, is he really the only person who's still alive? Or is he not? Now let's go to the pre-lesson activity from Chiu Mi Kung.
For pre are going to watch Think Right. Before the viewing, teacher need to introduce the video by giving a brief synopsis of what they are about to view. In addition, lay out the purpose for watching it and highlight specific information teacher want them to look for as they watch. This will up the engagement and keep students invested in the topic before the films even rolls. Next, teacher will play the short film and explaining the unfamiliar words or vocabulary after students finish watching the video. Students need to think and complete the video response sheet in pair. Lastly, students will share their work with their classmates.
Next will be lesson development by Revanel Chen.
The lesson development stage focuses on the concept of symbolism by itself. Therefore, the materials that we came up with does not reference or is not constructed from the short film that we have chosen. Our reasoning behind it is because we want to fully introduce the concept of symbolism to the students before moving on to discussing the short film on its own. The first activity consists of pictures of normal everyday items that students might recognize. Examples are houses, wedding rings, pine trees, angpaos, ketupat, and cars. The teacher will discuss what these objects represent to the students. Our goal is to dig up the students' prior knowledge by using objects that they are familiar with and to show them that even small and boring everyday objects can symbolize anything to anyone, thus introducing them to symbolism. The further explanation of the concept itself will be explained by the teacher by the end of Activity 1. Activity 2. Activity 2 uses examples of symbolism from well-known movies. The examples we have given can be altered based on the students that will be taught. By using media that the students are familiar with, we hope that the students can better understand symbolism through their interest.
Okay, now let's go to post-lesson by Zoli.
Okay, for the post lesson, there is one activity that teacher will ask students to add on their mind map. I list 2 supporting details for each of their reasons based on the short film that what they can understand from it. The mind map sample will given by the teacher. Then, the teacher will discuss with the student the supporting details on each of their reasons, because it will make the student have a deeper understanding of the short film's theme. Next, teacher will instruct the student to write one paragraph that the theme related with the short film. And at the end of the class, the teacher will ask a student randomly to read what they have wrote in front of the class to recap the class. Thank you.
Let's go to the last part, which is test from Magdalena Sundar.
For the test, the students are given 2 parts, which is part A and part B. For the first part, which is part A, the student needs to circle the correct symbolism meaning for each scene, and for the second part, the students are required to write their own opinion on what given scene mean to them. Part A will carry 3 marks for 3 questions, while part B will carry 7 marks. So this is how the student should answer the question. For the first part, the student just need to circle the answer, while for part B, the student will have to write their own opinion.
So that is all from our group, and thank you for watching.